Huawei has just presented the Honor 10G, which will be its first smartphone with 8GB of RAM. Its predecessor, Honor 10, which was launched in April for China and in May internationally, had only options for 4GB or 6GB of RAM. In addition to the additional RAM, the new smartphone will have the same specifications and appearance as the Honor 10. The Honor 10 GT has a 5.8-inch LCD screen, 2280x1080 with a fingerprint sensor on the start button. It has a notch where you can find the 24-megapixel selfie sensor that is face-to-face in an almost edge-to-edge screen. It is powered by a Kirin 970 processor and a 3400 mAh battery. On the back, it has two rear cameras that are 16 megapixels and 24 megapixels. As for the ports, it has a 3.5mm headphone jack and USB Type-C ports.